Hello everyone. So today we're looking at this fast charger for iPhone. As you can see, comes with the lightning cable, but this is with a USB-C connection that fits into the socket here, or the adapter here that plugs into the wall. Really does what it says. Really fast charging for your mobile or tablet. This comes in a product package of 3, or is it 4? I don't remember. I gave away 2 that I had, but this is really nice. As you can see, plastic is still on it, feeling new, dynamic in terms of its weight. So it really does what it says in terms of fast charging. So if you're on the go, this is a product that I would recommend to get.